today's video, we're going to learn 10 FCE phrasal verbs to help you do well in this exam. But before we begin, make sure you press the like button, and if you haven't done so already, make sure you press subscribe. Number 1, break down. It means it stopped working. We usually use this to talk about some machines, pieces of equipment, or electrical devices. Here are 2 examples for you. Oh no, my car broke down on the way to work. Just as I was about to print out my document, the computer broke down. Number 2, bring up. If you bring up something, it means you say something or you mention something to someone. We usually use this in meetings, such as business meetings. So, for example, you can say, "She brought up an interesting point in the meeting yesterday." Or, "There's something I need to bring up with you about the accounting figures that I saw." Number 3, call off. If you call off something, it means you cancel it. So, for example, the football match got called off because of the weather. Many people are sick, so we're going to call off the meeting today. Number 4, come across. If you come across something, it means you find it unexpectedly. You didn't realize you were going to find it, but you found it. So, for example, while I was searching my desk, I came across my keys that I'd lost last week. I was looking at the figures last night and I came across some errors. Maybe you need to fix them. Number 5, get on with. You get on with someone and it means you have a good relationship with them. You're like friends or family. So here are a couple of examples. I get on with my friends really well. We all have the same hobbies. It's very important to get on with your neighbours, otherwise you can have some problems. Number 6, look after. If you look after someone or you look after something like an animal, then it means you take care of it. You care for it and make sure nothing bad happens. So, for example, while she is away on holiday, I'm looking after her cat. Everyone needs to look after their children so that they can grow up and be good humans. Number 7, look forward to. If you look forward to something, then it means you anticipate something with pleasure. You are waiting for it with great happiness. So, for example, most people like you and me look forward to the weekend, right? Actually, I look forward to meeting you in person later. Number 8, makeup. Now, makeup usually means the things that women put on their face to make them look more beautiful. But this phrasal verb, makeup, means to invent something or fabricate something. So, for example, children, especially young children, like to make up stories in order to fool their parents. I didn't want to go to the party, so I made up an excuse. Number 9, put off. If you put off something, then it means you postpone it, you delay it. You cancel it today, but you arrange a new time or date next time. So, for example, the concert was put off due to technical difficulties. Let's put off the meeting today and go home early. Number 10, take after. Take after means be similar to or resemble a family member. So, for example, I take after my father. We have similar facial features. And do you think children usually take after their parents? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you press like and subscribe. And if you want to learn another thing, make sure you press the video here. I know you want to.